Listen up. The doors slammed open, and there it was, the VR-098 Devastator towering over me like some kind of mechanical god. Its metallic frame gleamed under neon lights, casting shadows that danced across the walls. This wasn't just a factory, it was alive, a beast waiting to be unleashed. I'm Aleksandar Morana, CEO of Zorya Robotics, named after the Serbian lesser goddess Zorya, who guards the gates of dawn. And today, we weren't just selling a facility, we were igniting a revolution. I watched one investor from Vitez Ventures, a venture capital firm inspired by Vitez, the Serbian god of valor, lean forward so hard his chair squeaked against the floor. Another, Milica Radovanovic, scribbled furiously on her notepad, nodding like she just struck gold. And when I mentioned the KUKA robotic arms inside deployable shipping containers, their eyes lit up like kids seeing Christmas morning. "You had us at modular shipping containers," said Radovanovic, tapping her pen against the table with excitement. Then another chimed in, "And those KUKA arms? That's next-level efficiency." Picture this. 10,716 square feet of innovation spread across modular pods. Each pod hums with life, robotic arms assembling parts faster than you can blink. The whole place feels alive, breathing progress. It's as if every bolt and gear is infused with the spirit of Zorya herself, guiding us toward a brighter future. Now here's the thing. Madripoor's market vacancy rate sits at 21%. Some might call that risky. But risk is just opportunity wearing a mask. Do you know why we chose deployable shipping containers? Because when disaster strikes, and it will, you need a factory that moves with you. By the time I showed them the NPV of $5.8 million and the IRR of 10.2%, they weren't thinking about risks anymore. They were thinking about rewards. When I walked out of that meeting, the sun was rising over Madripoor. You could almost hear the gears turning, not just in the factory, but in the future of robotics itself. This isn't just a sale. It's the start of something bigger. Every great story is built like a lean system, efficient, impactful, and always improving. Selling the Robotech factory wasn't just about numbers. It was about crafting a vision, showing resilience, and proving that innovation wins. This world doesn't wait for anyone. Neither should your story. Address 1N Robotech, Nova Cyclone Boulevard, Madripoor. Square feet, 10,716 SF. Net operating income, NOI, $1,071,600. Capitalization rate, 10%. Occupancy rate, 87%. Valuation asking price, $10,716. Engineer occupancy count, EOC, 67 engineers. By the end of this journey, you know the company inside out, not because I dumped data, but because I made you feel every moment. Additional details. Company name, Zorya Robotics. Named after Zorya, the Serbian goddess associated with light and protection, symbolizing hope and innovation. CEO name, Aleksandar Morana. A visionary leader whose name pays homage to Morana, the Slavic goddess of winter and death, representing transformation through challenges. VC firm name, Vitez Ventures. Inspired by Vitez, the Serbian god of courage and heroism, embodying bold investments in cutting-edge technology. Investor name, Milica Radovanovic. A sharp-minded investor whose name reflects strength and wisdom, qualities essential for spotting groundbreaking opportunities.